How much do they love Жасұлан ÄKİMЖAN here in Kazakhstan? All right, scheduled for 3 rounds of 5 minutes apiece in the featherweight division.
He
did, okay. I was wondering whether that was going to happen or not. Okay.
Yeah, so you're already starting to fight down a little bit.
That's hard, man. A point is significant.
Absolutely.
You've got to get a 10-8 to win by 9-8.
Yep. Good movement by ÄKİMЖAN early, huh? Really good movement. Good front kicks up the middle. Missed a couple kicks by moving his whole body out the way. That's an experienced kickboxer right there.
Fans shouting ÄKİMJAN's name. Got that nice style with the chin quite tucked. The right hand really close to the face, guarding against the left. Open hand.
Yeah, he's playing defense right now, but great defense though. Coaches always say that the best defense is don't even let it touch you. It's the best block you can have.
Right, it's the ones you don't have to block. Man, these guys are trading.
And he's got a good front kick up the middle.
Oh, boom.
I mean, got the Spartan kicking him across the ring.
The head movement from ÄKİMJAN.
I mean, you can see the way he's just sliding back outside of range. It shows his experience in kickboxing.
YAMANBAEV's trying to put some combos together, but the head movement of ÄKİMJAN so far has been lightning fast. See that? The guy gets out of the way of that jab. Oh, uppercut.
Yeah, now he's trying to land his own offense. This is a smart strategy from YAMANBAEV. Switch it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Just change up the game plan. We're not liking how that's going. This is MMA. We can switch it up. We can do a couple different things.
Oh, the right hand almost caught ÄKİMJAN.
It has his attention now. YAMANBAEV would do good to go to the body or the legs too.
Totally.
He's doing such a good job of moving his head. He can't move the body as quickly.
YAMANBAEV looks like a bigger dude too. I don't know if you noticed that as well. Looks like bigger. It's not just a height differential, especially when he's on the close side of the screen.
Good right hand.
Oh, nice sweep. I was just about to see YAMANBAEV's crawling his way back into this, but ÄKİMJAN now putting on the heat. All right, YAMANBAEV, how do you get out of this?
You know, he's got to swim that hook out of there. So he's got to use his leg to pummel on the inside of ÄKİMJAN's leg and get that hook, get rid of that hook. There, ÄKİMJAN just took the hook out on his own. And now you got to press up. Either put your back against the fence or against him and stand up. He has the hand control. That's what he needs. But he's sitting and waiting. I'm not sure for what. Great job getting into a 50-50.
Back to the center of the cage they go.
Yeah, I'm impressed by ÄKİMJAN's defense.
Yeah, me too. I love the head movement. I love the sneak and peek and the rolls and just everything he's doing.
Yeah, even checking the leg kicks and getting out the way of the body kick.
Yeah. Just like that, like he's like a matador. He just gets his arms up and he's back up.
Yeah, if I'm Yamabev, I'm trying to do unorthodox, tricky things to throw off the timing.
Timely takedown with 10 seconds to go in the round. Last thing the judges see.
And if I'm in this corner, I'm telling them the same thing. You know, let's switch it up. Let's try southpaw. Let's try and switch up the game plan a little bit. Let's go with head kicks. You know, throw a couple punches and then throw a big head kick because he's doing a good job of leaning back. He might lean into one of those kicks. Try and switch up the game plan just a little bit and throw off the time in there.
There's the man himself, Steve Nurmagomedov, watching this main card here in Kazakhstan. Machine, his matchmaker, did such a good job of putting together so many close fights tonight. And I like how some journeymen had opportunities to make a big kill. And I like how they're bringing up the kids slowly but surely, but there's no tomato cans. The kids are all being tested. They're all being tested.
Yeah, nobody's walking over anybody tonight.
Yep. They've all been wars. A bit of swagger.
Yeah, he's feeling it.
And Kingzon trying to let Iman know he better feel it too. How'd you score that first round?
For Әкімжан, yeah. I think he was in control. And if there was any question on the feet because of the activity of Yamabev, he also controlled him on the ground. So
yeah, he was the matador.
Yeah, but Yamabev has been working, you know.
He's had moments.
We're kind of marveling at the defense of Әкімжан, but defense doesn't win you fights.
Right.
And you got to give him credit for the activity. This would be a good fight to see the punch numbers, but Yamabev seems like he's working.
Yeah, you know, he doesn't have that flashy style that makes your eyes draw to him. You know, he's got a workman-like quality to him, whereas Әкімжан has that flash.
Right.
He's got the swagger, so your eyes are drawn toward him. But just in terms of, is it a close fight? Make no mistake, it's a close fight. And Әкімжан doesn't get to look good unless his opponent is good. Otherwise, he's just going to look like he's slaughtering someone. Now he's being tested, and he's having to do special things to pull into the lead.
Yeah, but where they are right now, this seems like it's going to be the deciding factor. He's able to control him better on the ground. If Yamabev can clear up this, then he'll make it a whole lot tighter of a fight.
Again with the chance.
Double slap. Double ear slap. Trying to disorient him there. I'm not sure how well that works. I'm not going to lie.
Have you implemented it?
Yeah, slap both ears.
Did you notice anything in your opponent when you did it?
No, I've never. No. I've seen other guys do it a lot, though. But I've never really know if it works or not. Good posture from Әкімжан. Trying to rain down some ground and pound. Yeah, beating the body up. You can hear those punches. This isn't looking too good for Yamabev. He's got to move. He's got to do something to get respect back.
Speaking of your opponents, you've taken out the likes of Diego Sanchez, Gregor Gillespie, Edson Barboza, hello, Michael Chiesa, Francisco Trinaldo, Magomed Mustafayev, come on, Jake Matthews, Efron Esquerdo. I mean, studs. And you're just on a tear.
Yeah,
so
I've been
fun
around
to watch.
for a minute, man.
Man, you've been around, man, and you've taken advantage of that minute.
A veteran at a young age. Oh, this might be getting to the end.
It's over!
Yeah.
Wow!
It looks
Referee
like
had seen enough.
might have popped his rib out there.
Жасұлан, ÄКІМЖАН, working the crowd here in Kazakhstan.
I mean, and you can hear those body punches. Those body punches sounded like in the Rocky movie when he was hitting the Pete in the locker, you know?
Yeah.
Just solid punches.
Man, he knows how to work the body.
Yeah, he might have popped the rib out.
Wow. Жасұлан ÄKІMЖAN moving to 8-2 at just 26 years old. We've been talking all night long about prospects. All of these young Turks that Khabib is bringing in. That's what he's doing really well with Eagle FC, right? He's building his own names, building his own brand, building his own fighters. And look at the fighters that we've had on the card today. Fighters with 8-1 records, multiple fighters with 8-1 records, 3-0s, 12-1, 6-0, 8-1, 9-1, 8-2, 7-0, 15-1, and now ÄKİMJAN moving to 8-2 and working the crowd up to a frenzy. And that Khabib's happy with that. The pattern continues. Let's make it official.
Ladies and gentlemen, referees count the bout in 3 minutes and 25 seconds in round 2. Winner by TKO, Жасұлан ÄKİMЖAN.